Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Hey there, have you ever looked at a piece of future furniture or decor and just felt drawn it to it like it had a story to tell? Today we are going to talk about something truly special. It like Life Ages shelves. They are not just shelves, they are pieces of nature brought right into your home. Imagine wood just as it grew with its natural curves and edges still there. That's what Life Ages is all about. It's beautiful, it's unique, and it's add so much warmth to any space. So what exactly makes Life Ages shelves so captivating? It's all in the natural beauty of the wood itself. Unlike regular shelves that are cut perfectly straight, Life Ages shelves keep the original organic shapes of the tree. This means you will see the bark, the natural imperfection, and those wonderful flowing lines that only nature can create. Every single Life Ages shelves is one of a kind. No two are exactly alike, just like and no two or three trees are exactly alike. You are getting unique piece of art made by Mother Nature herself. Think about the rings in the wood, the knots, the variations in color. These are not flaws, they are what give the wood its character, its soul. Beyond their natural beauty, Life Ages shelves bring a wonderful rustic charm to your home. Rustic means a simple, natural, or and often country-like feel, and that's exactly what these shelves do. They connect you to outdoors events when you are inside these. They have a cozy, inviting feels. They can make a modern room feel warmer or a traditional room feels even more grounded. It's like bringing a little piece of peaceful forest right onto your wall. Imagine your rich textures and earthy tones. These shells and add a sense of history and craftsmanship, even if they are brand new. One of the best things about Life Ages shelves is how versatile they are. You can use them in almost any room in the living room. They are perfect for displaying your favorite books, photos, or small plants. They become a focal point, drawing the eyes in the kitchen. They can hold your spices, special dishes, or even small recipe books. They add a touch of warmth to a practical space in the bathrooms. They are great for a few items or even as a unique bedside tables alternative. Even in our bathrooms, our Life Ages shelves can hold our candle, our plant, or your favorite lotions, adding a touch of spa like luxury. They truly fit with so many different styles, from farmhouse to modern bohemia to industrial. They just work. But it comes to decorating with Life Ages shelves, remember the phrase less is more. Their natural beauty is already speaks volume. You don't need to clutter them with lots of things. A few carefully chosen items are all it takes. Let the wood itself to be the star of show. Think about pairing them with simple natural materials. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.